Hello friends, welcome to Determination. In this video, first of all, I will derive the equation for y parameters in terms of ABCD parameters and then the equation for y parameters in terms of h parameters. So let's begin. These are the equations for y parameters as well as ABCD parameters. Now let's simplify this equation to get the equation of I2. So I2 will be equal to AV2 minus V1 divided by B, which is equal to minus 1 upon B into V1 plus A upon B into V2. By comparing this equation with this equation, we can write that Y21 will be equal to minus 1 upon B and Y22 will be equal to A upon B. Now let's put this equation of I2 in the equation of I1. So I1 will be equal to CV2 minus D into minus 1 upon B V1 plus A upon B V2, which is equal to CV2 plus D upon B V1 minus AD upon B V2, which can be simplified to D upon B V1 minus AD minus BC divided by B into V2. Hence, this is the equation of I1. Now directly we can write the matrix form of y parameters in terms of ABCD parameters. So y is equal to y11, which is D by B, y12, which is BC minus AD divided by B, y21, which is equal to minus 1 by B, and y22, which is equal to A upon B. In this way, we can find out the y parameters of a network if its ABCD parameters are given. Now let's find out the equation for y parameters in terms of h parameters. So first of all, by simplifying this equation, we get the value of I1 is equal to V1 minus H12 V2 divided by H11, which is equal to 1 upon H11 V1 minus H12 upon H11 V2. Now on comparing this equation of I1 with the equation we have got here, we can write y11 is equal to 1 upon h11 and y12 is equal to minus h12 upon h11. Now let's put this equation of I1 in the equation of I2. So we can write I1 is equal to h21 into 1 upon h11 v1 minus h12 upon h11 v2 plus h22 v2, which is equal to h21 upon h11 v1 minus h12 into h21 divided by h11 v2 plus h22 v2, which is equal to h21 upon h11 v1 plus h11 into h22 minus h12 into h21 divided by h11 into v2. Now on comparing the equation of I2, we can write that y21 is equal to h21 upon h11 and y22 is equal to delta h upon h11, where delta h is equal to h11 into h22 minus h12 into h21. Now the matrix form of y parameters in terms of h parameters can be given as y11 is equal to 1 upon h11, y12 is equal to minus h12 upon h11, y21 is equal to h21 upon h11 and y22 is equal to delta h upon h11. Hence in this way you can find out the y parameters of a network if its h parameters are given. If you found this video useful, do give it a like and subscribe to Determination for more such videos. Thank you for watching.